Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Redmi Note 9s. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you can select this application and click install. Now close this ad and then click consent and click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad. And now, as you can see, I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.